In this problem on locus, see A and B are 2 points. P moves such that area of triangle PAB is 12 square units. Then find the locus of P. So here we take the area of the triangle and equate it to 12 square units. Let me go for the next slide. Let P x comma y be the point on locus. A is given as 2 comma 3, B is minus 4 comma 5. Given area is equal to area of triangle PAB is equal to 12. So let me go for the calculation. Half into first one is x, y, 2, 3, minus 4, 5. Again x, y, area is equal to 12. So when I cross multiply 2 to the other side and calculating determinants in this case, I get 3x minus 2y plus 10 minus of minus 12 minus 4y minus 5x is equal to 24. So when I simplify, I get 3x minus 2y plus 10 plus 12 minus 4y minus 5x is equal to 24. So here I will get 3x minus 5x is minus 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Minus 4y minus 2y is minus 6y. 10 plus 12 is 22 is equal to 24. So I have now mod minus 2x minus 6y plus 22 is equal to 24. When I take minus common, I get mod 2 also common, x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 24 will give us x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to mod minus 11 is equal to 12. Squaring on both sides, I get x plus 3y minus 11 square is equal to 144. So I have x square plus 9y square plus 121 plus 6xy minus 66y minus 22x minus 144 is 0. So I get here, if I put it in order, x square plus 6xy plus 9y square minus 22x minus 66y minus 23 is equal to 0, which is locus.